What's up, guys? Today I will be going under the house. I have a clog, not a major clog, but a clog to where the water it drains down in the wash machine, but then I can hear it after a while coming back up that tube. Okay. And then I can hear it coming up through the kitchen sink. And so I have a snake. I ran the snake. Okay, it's not reaching the clog. So I have to go under the house. And I'm taking y'all with me. Um I don't want to go under the house because I have a phobia of mice and rats. So shit. Um. So, anyways, I'm gonna record it. I got a lot of recording to do. I have a house that was built in the 40s, and what I'm gonna do is record the things I fix, renew, whatever I do. That's what I'm gonna record it, and it's gonna be interesting because I'm learning from YouTube. Some stuff I know, but a lot of it I'm going to be learning through YouTube. Okay, YouTube University. Okay. So I already got on my under the house clothes. Um so I probably need some anxiety medicine. I'm not sure. No, I'm just playing. But all right, I'm gonna get myself together and let's do this. All right, I have on my under the house gear on. Y'all gonna laugh. Let's see. I got my little light. I got my glasses so I can see. Oh, I got a dot up there too. And I got on my knee pads. All right. Here we go. Man. Oh, I built this door right here. Oh, probably need to do something with these. Have these sitting up. I built this door last year, and I got that off YouTube. I wish I would have known. I was gonna make videos like this. I would have recorded it, and I would have said who I got it from, but I don't remember. And I got a lot to do. I hope it ain't gonna be too dark for you guys. I got a lot to do under this house, as you can see. I guess that's called Havoc or Flex. It fell down. Okay, make sure ain't nothing under here. Hold on, I gotta hold my other flashlight. Oh man. Make sure no mouse or rat. Shit. All right. Let's see. And the snake. It probably stopped around here. And as you can see, I think that's called galvanized. I'm going to replace that. I'm going to start taking this apart right here and take a look at what's in here. Start there. And I'm going to set this up. I hope you'll be able to see what I see. All right. I hope I grabbed the right tools. If not, that's going to be another crawl out. Well, a crawl out. My first crawl out. Let's see. Trying to see what fits what. So far, it's a no-no. Aha! So, it is a number 8. It's cold too, guys. Ooh, rubber gloves. I'm funny about my hand, though. I'm funny about my hand. I don't know what's in here. I'm gonna bring this down a little bit. Ooh. Maybe I should have brought a bucket. Dang. Okay. I'm gonna take this loose right here. Oh, this piece right here, which is what's connected to that, and I'm gonna take this piece apart and take the whole thing apart. Okay. Oh, that thing heavy, but not nowhere near how I thought it would be. I don't know if you guys can see that. I got another flashlight. Great. Yeah, I definitely think that can contribute to the wash machine water backing up after a while. Well, then it slowly drains down, but I'm gonna clean that anyways. And Oh, this pipe look okay. I don't know if you guys can see this pipe. This looks pretty clear, but I'm gonna run a snake through it anyways because it goes all the way that way. Okay. All right, let me clean this out. A long screwdriver, and I'm gonna put it through here. I might just take it out and run a water hose through it. So I'm gonna go in the holes and ew, that is really gross. Let me see if I can show y'all what I'm doing. I'm sticking my I'm sticking my screwdriver in it and put my foot. I'm using one hand here. Y'all can't see that. Hold up. So I'm gonna stick this long screwdriver in there, and I'm gonna keep doing that. I may, like I said, I may run a water hose through it. It's sludgy. Yeah, I think I'm gonna have to run the water hose through it. Ew. It stinks too. Not bad, but not good either. So I'm gonna take me and my little friend here out here. Ugh. Damn, that thing weigh more than me. Oh. Alright, I'm gonna run the water through it. Alright, I'll run it the other way. Ugh. It's kind of not clear now. Scared of the face. I think that's pretty good. Alright, here we go again. Stay loose. Keep moving. Okay. Here we go. Okay. Alright, before I put that back, attach it back, I'm gonna run a snake through this line. Just to see, make sure you're done. Man, use it well. My nose running, y'all. So I bring some tissue. Okay, so I'm right there. I'll put my drill charge on. don't know, but if you guys know, but I got the one, the little snake that you catch with the drill. Just in case you guys didn't know. All right. There we go. I noticed when I have it on a very high speed, it doesn't work well. There we go. All right. Man, what? You got it on one? It might break for me. There we go. Come on. Man, I can't get right in that. Okay. Oh, so I'm holding it. I'll see how anyone can do this with their bare hands. That is just yucky. And who knows what it is. Ooh, just sludge. Alright, so I'm gonna put this in my bag. And I'm gonna put wait, I'm looking at this pipe. Okay. 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 Got my tools there, y'all. All right, so what I'm about to do, I'm about to go in the house and make sure it's not, I'm gonna cut the water on, and I'm gonna come back in here and make sure nothing's leaking. Okay. Oh shit. I got the water on. It's still running, and I do not see any leaks. And I want to replace this really soon. And let me make sure I didn't loosen anything up over here as I was jiggling. Making a jiggle. Put my tools up. Make sure you're not leaking. No leaks. All right, guys. I'm about to start to stop the fill up. And I'm about to drain. And I'm gonna listen out to see if it fills up in this tube. Is it gonna drain? There it go. Dang. All right, it's still doing it. Let's do it again. Yep, you hear it? I'm gonna let that drain down. Again. I hear it filling up. I stopped it because I heard it come to here. I gotta get a new pipe too. That thing went crazy. Ow. I'm gonna do it again. I think that's it. Well, you know what, guys? It's better going. I mean, at first, it was really clogging to the point where it took me a while to drain it. So it's better going down. It's just as it's draining, I gotta stop it and let it, I guess, continue to drain. So maybe to get better, once I replace that piping, I guess it's galvanized, that pipe I took apart, but it is better than it was before. But my goal is to eventually get it to where I don't have to keep on stopping it as the water is draining. Alright guys, that's the video. I guess when I'm ready, I'll make a video when I replace that pipe, or pipes with an S. I got a lot of videos coming up of fixing things. Some stuff I'm gonna know, some stuff I'm not. I'm gonna go on YouTube, look it up, and see where it takes me. I have this thing that, even though I know I cut the water off, I have this thing to make sure it's off. I squeeze it. I don't know why. Don't ask me. It might be something mental.